Meaning Jo Acholi, man on again Jackline Ikang of court, man show me Chaka Leb Acholi, segment me Kwan Leb Acholi. Session number 46, reading on Oyere, which is part of Pajok Lacuc. I just read on Ywaya and now I'm reading on Oyere. The reading on Oyere is very short. I'm assuming maybe the writer was not able to find enough information on Oyere. If you are from Oyere, please drop comments under this video. Send us DMs if you would like to be a guest. Let me know what you think about the information that I'm about to read on Oyere. Okay, it's just one paragraph basically, and then he goes into discussion regarding Team Diko Oyere, and it ends there, and then he goes into total. Okay, it's very short. Please make sure to like, comment, share our videos with your friends, your peers, your platforms. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and our Facebook. We are on YouTube as Chaka Leb Acholi. We are also on Facebook. Our official Facebook page is Chaka Leb Acholi as well. And I also post these videos on my personal Facebook, which is Jackline Ikang, South Sudan. And sometimes I post snippets on TikTok. I am not as active on TikTok, but I will try my best to post more on TikTok. Okay, maybe I'll use my son to do the posting. Apwoyo Acholi, Jo Acholi, our Acholi community, and everybody else who's watching who is not Acholi or may not understand Acholi. Sorry if I haven't been as active. I'm going to read on Oyere, which is a subgroup of the Pajok clan of the Acholi tribe of present-day South Sudan. I just read on another subgroup called Ywaya. You can watch a previous video. I re-recorded session 45 on a subgroup called Ywaya, because it seems as if my live streams are not connecting steadily. My internet tends to act up. Maybe it's not my internet, maybe it's my computer, maybe it's my laptop. Maybe it's something I need to look into. It has something to do with my storage. So I read about Ywaya. Please go and watch that previous recording, Ywaya version 1 and version 2, or part 1 and version 2. And now I'm reading about the subgroup called Oyere, which is another one of the subgroups that is situated on the territories to the right of Pajok, or Pajok territories to the right. Okay, so I'm just going to jump right into it and read about Oyere. And after I read about Oyere, I would like to read about Total. I haven't read for over a week. I'm trying to get as much information out there now, and hopefully I'm going to start scheduling like I used to, scheduling these streaming events so that the audience will be informed as to when I will be recording again. So you guys can look forward to watching the live sessions and the streams, or watching our videos on YouTube. Okay? Thank you so much. Apwoyo. If you would like to be a guest, please send us a message or comments under this video. If you're from Oyere, please also leave comments under this video. Apwoyo. Excuse my son. It seems like he's coughing a lot. Maybe he's getting sick again. Okay, so just jumping right into it on reading on Oyere. But you're just joining on it. Team Igang Pajok wanunguni tie bene dok od Oyere. Te kwaro pa chuli wajuni dana mi Oyere gin dana ma opore gi kom Jo Ywaya. Kala chien gin olungo kum gi ni Oyere. Wandong pa wangeo kalok mi pore pa Jo Oyere gi kom Ywaya o time imwaha mene dok o time ka kwene. Ento gin ma wangeo aye ne dana mi Oyere obino gi Lokoro ite lodge pa road king. Okay, ko choni nga look me nga look me team gi got pa Oyere. Ko choni nga. Te kwaro mi pajok wajini Jo Oyere pere gi team got nyo jok gin woro jok Ywaya. Min yang kid ma Jo Oyere oworo kwere nen wot pajok gi anyoak ilobo Acholi. Wan bene pe wang'e mabe pingo Jo Oyere toro patenge gi Bobby tien mapol gilungo kumgi ni Lamwo. Dana mokene wacho ni gin lungo kumgi kidman pien gin duju kor mi pajok ma obino gi Lokoro. Ikare pa achonya luak mi dok ot man ono gin bedo kachel. Okay. Mandong kelo wan ipenye. Ka dana mi Lamwo gi kor gin duju ono tie kachel. Chi ginango ma weo dana man opoke. Lo diro mapol mi pajok wacho ni Jo Lamwo opoke wagi kum dana mi Oyere toro paitenge gi Bobby pilok mi da omego ma obedo ikinge. Okay, duan wacho ni inge da dok ora achiel ochiro ogero kama chunyinge omiro. Ento giwuot pa dano mi pajok ma obedo pol weko tino mi dok ot ang'wen man orware ing'om pajok. So that's it. That's the reading on Oyere. It's 2 paragraphs or so. It's very short. If you're from Oyere, leave your comments. But it's straightforward what he's saying, right? That the Oyere people are part of Ywaya. They came together. Okay, so they kind of split up after the British came. They used to be called Lamwo because they came with Chief Moore, the brother of Chief King from Lokoro. So they all migrated down to Pajok, okay, together with Chief King, with the Ywaya people. And then the Lamwo people separated from the Lokoro, who later became the Ywaya people. And within the Lamwo group, the people of Moore, Chief Moore, was the Oyere, Toro, Paitenge, Bobby. What else am I? Toro. Did I say that? Okay. There's many groups within the Lamwo group of Ywaya or of the Lokoro people. So Oyere was one of those mini groups that belonged to Lamwo before they migrated and went into Uganda as the Lamwo of Uganda. They were part of Ywaya, part of Moore, part of Lamwo. Okay, so it's very short. After this reading on Oyere, another mini group under this category is Toro. They were all part of Ywaya. Okay, so I find that the information on Oyere and the other mini groups under Ywaya has very limited information on their history and their migration. It seems as if they're still under the umbrella of Ywaya. Okay, so that's it, pretty much. If you're from Oyere, itigi information, what a message under this video. You can get a direct message here, made a bit of guess on the live stream so we can discuss. But that's it about Oyere. They were part of Moore or Lamwo, and they broke off from Lamwo and they settled by themselves. But they still have the same team as Ywaya, the same jock as Ywaya. Give water, jock me Ywaya. Okay. I mean, they don't have their own team, but they came and settled with the Ywaya, next to the Ywaya people, and they give water the same job. They have the same, they worship the same God or spiritual power, which is Ywaya. Okay? And the writer says if you want to read more or find out more about the Oyere people, you can also read this research on the Acholi people, and it has some information about the Oyere subgroup. The paper is called, I don't know if it's a book, but I think it's some type of research. It's called What Pajok Ki I Anyak I Lobo Acholi. Okay? If you want to read more about Oyere. Okay, I'll pull my tech. If you guys have information about Oyere, please share. I'm trying to think if I know anybody from Oyere. Last time I was going to have Robin, who is from Pajok. He's a musician, a local musician from Pajok. His name is Robin. I think his stage name is Spanner or Spanner. I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly, but I know him as Robin, and he's from Oyere. I was hoping to have him on so he can tell us more about Oyere, but maybe next time. It seems most of our members of the Acholi community from Pajok, or even from just South Sudan or Uganda and other places in Africa, it's not easy to get online to join a live stream or any streaming platform. Um, so eventually we'll figure out something where I can maybe have Robin join us and give us some more insight about Oyere. But if you're from Oyere and you're able to join, if you're in the US or in the diaspora and you're from Oyere, please let me know if you want to join this platform to discuss where you're from so you can share some information for us to learn from, because we don't have enough information to learn about Oyere at the moment. Okay. All right. Apwoyo Matek. I'm not going to keep going on. I will read about total next. Apwoyo Matek. Please make sure to like, comment, share this video across your platforms. Subscribe to our YouTube channel as well, so you can stay up to date with our recordings and sessions. We are on YouTube as Chaka Leb Acholi. We are on Facebook as Chaka Leb Acholi as well. This segment of Kwan Leb Acholi is within the same platform, which is Chaka Leb Acholi. Just follow along as we read and learn about the Acholi people. Okay? Apwoyo Matek. And stay tuned. I hope to read again about the total people. Apwoyo Matek. Bye. Take care, guys.